Getting that shit back, drop.
Yes.
Damn! Damn, that bitch sound good. That's me. That's me. That's me. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD. I hope y'all can see me under this light for real. We about to tap, man. We in the X5. You know what I mean? I was going to take the G, about to go to a Mexico night. First, I'm getting a bit by my man Slick B. And then, man, I'm gonna put him in the video when I pull up to his crib on some late night tip. Y'all gonna see how rough my hair look right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't had a cut in some time, boy. You know what I mean? But you're about to pull up, and then there's a Mexico night. The Mexico night actually start right now for real, but I'm running a little late, obviously, because I gotta get a bit. Not gonna lie. Red got the country and shit like that. So I gotta get a motherfucking bit by the two, get bit by the dig, yeah? You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and type back in with y'all as soon as I get there. So green. I hear that motherfucking V8 twin turbo motherfucker. Yeah though, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and holler at y'all so I get to his crib. Hey. Man, getting that shit back, drop.
Yes. By the best.
Yes, by the best, for real. You know what I mean? 10:34 on a late night tip. You feel me? It's real love. It's real love right here. He don't even cut this late.
Hell no.
Y'all see I look ugly as shit. Wait till he done. Shit about to be too crispy. I'm trying to let y'all niggas know. Then I'm ready to hit the Mexico looking too crispy. Then I got the Beemer truck outside. With the bit of the dig. Y'all see, y'all know he got a G, the white G. I'm gonna put a clip right here. If you ain't watched this video, go watch it. He in it too. We got a couple videos together for real. Like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go watch all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Might as well watch all his videos. For real.
Yeah, for real. You might as well just like put it in the playlist and then just let it play.
If you want to go to sleep on it, you mean?
For real though. I hope this music don't copyright me, so I'm gonna hurry up. Bow, 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 bow. He was like, yeah, bro, he a baller, bro. He got fans ass hair, bro. I should have showed y'all the bit in there, but y'all see it. Looking crispy, looking mighty good. Shout out to my barber, man. I had to put a flash on me. My goodness. Shout out to my barber, man. Real shit. Go tap in with him if y'all in the DMV area. He ain't gonna be here for too much longer for real. But shit, go tap in with him. About to head to the Mexico night right now. Floating. Going to get some content for y'all. Just floating it. You feel me? With the heads up this way right there. On the highway commentary. I'm gonna tap in with y'all as soon as I get there. Be a lot of, should be a lot. I think they already there for real, so I'm like an hour late, like I told you on the last clip, but we'll be good. Should be getting a few runs in. I don't know if anyone want to race the X5, but not really planning on racing at all, so just want to get some content for y'all, record a little bit for y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all as soon as I get there. Peace. Actually, I might tap in with y'all before I get there for the pass. You know what I mean? Yes, sir, we just rised up. We just pulled up for real. The G. This is a great straight road for real. We're gonna see what's going on at the top or at the bottom of the hill, whatever. There's some shit out here. Shit out here. Look at the 2G versus Q60 Red Sport. Q60 Red Sport versus 2G, I'm pretty sure. It's just you or two of y'all riding?
Just him.
Just him? I'm trying to have you hop in the car. Yeah, because I got X5, bro. I got both. Alright, y'all. I'm about to race a... I forgot what he said. I think it's a 335. I don't really know. That's that.
I don't know what's going on, but it says my wastegate is closed. Outside tolerance.
What's going on? You want to try it? What you want to do?
Yeah, we can try. Let me clear it real quick.
Alright, bet.
335.
335? Oh, alright.
It's still coming up. I don't know why it's...
We turn my AC off, y'all. Go ahead and get cracked. I hope y'all can see. What you want to do? 3 beeps or what?
Nah, somebody gonna have to...
Someone
got... light. Yo, Ross. You want a flag? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's see if I win this race. Something wrong with his car. That was gonna be a good race though, y'all. That was gonna be a good race, but something wrong with his car. Something going on.
You race the Volkswagen?
I'm trying to race anybody, bro. It don't even matter.
You say you want to go.
For real?
Yeah.
But I think he was trying to race that S5. I think that's what he was doing. Yeah. I think he's trying to race that S5 for real. Alright. I'm trying to race anybody, y'all. Don't even matter. GTI versus S5. Y'all, so I'm about to try the 335i again. I think he flashed the code or whatever it was. So let's try this again. Hopefully we can get some runs in. Seems like it's gonna be a good race. He might get me top end for real, just cause I am in the boat. It's OD. Damn, it's raining. Why it's raining on me? Damn. I'm trying to race that 10G. That 10G more of my, I think that 10G more of my alley for real, cause this 335 just took off on this heavy ass boat. Damn. You trying to run it, bro? It's ready to start raining.
What's this is?
The 50i.
Let me get like a car and a half.
A car and a half?
Alright, let me get a car.
That motherfucking tune, dummy.
This motherfucker fast.
That shit stock though.
Yeah, but it's fast.
Car? I'll give you a car.
Alright.
Alright, bet. He said I ain't get a car and a half. Damn. He trying to practice his launch. Alright, y'all heard him. He asked for a car, so. even with him. I'm trying to go even with him. I need even with him, yeah. I need even with him. He trying to get a car. Damn, that bitch sound good. Oh yeah, we doing even, bro. Yeah, bro, we doing even, bro. We doing even. Alright, back. He said, alright, yeah, he knew he was gonna win that. Good too. They got that ISR thing exhaust on that back. You want to do like 3 beeps, I guess?
Yeah, you go hard.
All right, back. Hold on, hold on. He jumped it. He jumped it. I'm here on his ass though. Ah, he jumped it. Ah, he talking about. That's that's one something. 1 something. That's good runs. Yeah, that motherfucker get up, baby. That motherfucker fast. Good runs, Tommy. Good runs. What you got done?
Exhaust intake tune.
Exhaust intake tune by who?
D1.
Okay. Okay, you got the full steering wheel and shit?
It's 2.5, not 3-inch though.
Okay. Y'all see that, bitch. That's what I got on my shit, 2.5. I ain't tuned though. That motherfucking hard. That motherfucking hard. For sure. I know what. You know my YouTube love G's for real, so yeah. Motherfucker hard.
Yeah, we got power do like a VQ night or some shit.
Do like a real shit. I'm
Hell
with it,
yeah.
bro. I'm with it. We can do that. With all that shit. Hey y'all, so this is gonna be the last run of the day. Niggas a F33 28i. He said he got downpipe too. Intercooler intake, something like that. I see him right there. Probably should take the dub, honestly. Y'all know I'm in that big body, so we gonna see. We gonna see, man. Probably move up a little bit, give him some room, because he rear-wheel drive. It is a little wet out here. One more? One more? All right, back. Man, he low-key took off on me. I wasn't expecting that from a 328. I kind of took off late. It was a good run. I gotta stop taking off late. I gotta stop taking off late. I've been taking off late all fucking day. I gotta remember I'm in a fucking twin turbo car. These turbos don't kick in till like, you know what I mean, 40, 30, really 50. I'm gonna start taking on. And I'm in a boat. That shit was kind of fast. That shit was, like, I kept up. It was like this. If me and him got the same launch, probably would have been way better. I'm gonna do his beat now. And I ain't wearing no races today, y'all, but it's all cool. I'm gonna still post this motherfucker just cause. Came out here with the V8. I'm gonna get my motherfucking money worth. I'm gonna enjoy my time. I got 75 miles up in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell him on his beat this time for real. I'm not gonna lie. On you this time, on you. Yeah, I recorded it. Yeah. Good lunch. He here. Oh. He in there. That's me. That's me. That's me. Yeah, that was me. Great fucking runs right there, boy. Great runs right there. Great fucking runs. Try about to run it?
Nah, I'm about to go down there and flag him.
Oh, what? Whoop. Get over here. We got some shit. Ask motherfucker, she a little lower. Got the Tesla right there, got the Tessie. They about to go run it down there for real. Hope y'all can really see. I don't think y'all can really see for real. Yeah, y'all can see it. Yeah, I think he slipped a little bit because he rear-wheel drive, so, and it's raining as y'all can see. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think he slipped. Oh, they about to race. I can probably hear him coming down. I don't know who really won that one. I'm not gonna lie, Durham, you gonna see this, bro, when you watch it. You tried to, the second run, you tried to hit the hazards on me early. You thought you was gonna take it top, man. First run, you got it, dog. I gotta focus on my launch. That's the same BQ I just raced. The 2-1. X5, I think I gotta focus on my launch for real. Yeah, it's raining a little too much. It's too slippy. I don't see that beam. Yeah, I see how much it rained. I just parked the beam. I ain't gonna lie, the mismatch headlights type hard. That was good runs, bro. That was good runs. That second one, I was just telling them. That second one, you tried to hit the hazards on me a little early, bro. You thought you was gonna take it top, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, tight shit. You good though?
I really don't know who won that second one, but
I think it was me. Yeah, I got the video. I'm gonna send it to you. But good runs though for sure. Hell yeah.
On a dry day,
That was good, y'all. I figured I'd get a little outro clip right here. You feel me? Put some gas in her since I low-key drag with her all night a little bit. But yeah, make sure.